ulit to. TIN ID number. And then, bank account number. For deposit account naman to, kung saan i-deposit yung mga sales nyo. Then, credit card or debit card. Ito naman is for billing purposes. And then, yung mga kailangan nyo na ready na talaga is yung finished digital product. Since kailangan to, mag-upload na tayo at least one. And then, yung mga photos natin, yung pag-showcase natin nung ating finished digital product. And then, product title. Dapat na brainstorm na natin kung ano yung ita-title natin dun sa ating gagawing listing. And then, product description. Ito, meron akong isa-suggest later kung paano natin to gagawin. And then, yung product link or yung digital product itself. So, kapag product link, doon sa previous ko pong video, tinuro ko kung paano gumawa nito. So, kung hindi nyo pa napapanood yun, watch nyo na lang po muna yung